Ain't nobody gonna get that tight. Let me see. Oh man, you. Oh, why you doing this to me, man?
I'm barely touching it.
Word.
All right, make sure you get Kiara in these photos.
Okay. Hey.
This place rock.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Hey, I'm gonna let you say hi too. What is going down?
What's up?
It's Daniel.
It's Tita.
And y'all can tell by some of the video in the beginning, we went to Arizona Zone.
We went to heaven, okay?
We did go to heaven and we came back.
Yes.
We went to Arizona Zone.
Yes.
Out there on 7th Street in Dunlap.
Complete.
Sunny Slope.
We went on the other side of Phoenix.
Ladies and gentlemen, we went to Little Miss Barbecue.
Woo!
And it's time for their review.
Finally,
I
God.
mean, slicing that meat,
Yes.
slicing that brisket. They slice those ribs. They slice that brisket. They slice that sausage.
The sausage is not all there.
Oh no! Somebody took a bite.
I know.
We're not.
This is the sauce.
That's the sausage right there. Got the brisket.
This is the
About
brisket.
a pound of brisket. The ribs. About a pound of ribs. You know what I'm talking about?
Look at me, I'm already sweaty.
You already feeling the heat. A brisket sandwich
With a little side.
with the jalapeno cheddar grits.
Yes.
Dude, I'm excited.
Yeah.
We'll try first.
Well,
Let's try something first.
let's try the sausage.
Let's try. Oh my gosh.
It's tender.
That's the sausage right there. Look
Ready?
at that. There you go.
Look at that.
That's
juicy.
oh man. I did get a thin slice sample of this.
We got a sample.
So let's see how it actually
This
tastes
is
when they
without
slice
the
it up.
sauce.
They actually slice this up in front of us. Oh,
I am not a fan of sausage. This is bomb. This is bomb. Daniel's praying over there.
wow. That's the best sausage I've ever had right there. I gotta try with the sauce.
Straight with the sauce. You guys, the staff.
Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me.
The staff is so friendly in there, you guys.
Yeah, good staff.
They're funny. They're very, you know, they
I'm not gonna lie to you. If it was nasty, I'm gonna tell you straight up. It ain't popping. We're gonna dip it in the sauce. Okay, it's soaking. Oh man. Dip the sauces in the sauce. In the sauce.
You guys.
In the sauce. When I get off the camera, I'm killing them sausages.
You're supposed to do it.
You gotta show them the brisket. This is the brisket.
Got sauce.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
And they
Juice.
put it right in, and they give you the option.
Look at it. I'm just gonna pull it. I'm not gonna rip it apart. I'm not gonna pull it. Look at that. Oh.
It came off.
Yo! Tita, this melts in your mouth. The meat melts in your mouth.
You got
and this part right, the fatty brisket, it melts like butter. Look at that brisket.
Now let's do the honors with the sauce.
Mom! The brisket melts like butter. Huh? Oh my God. You know this is going? You didn't even do the review. You don't even need sauce for this. Baby.
Try with sauce.
You don't even need sauce for this. Mmm. Oh my.
You guys.
No.
They ain't not playing.
I don't even. Let me tell you something. I don't like fat.
No.
I don't like fat on my meat. This is the first time I ever ate fat on my. That's the only way. Do this to me. Can I have one more? Oh my. Look at that juice.
And we put it right in front of you guys.
Tita! Oh my gosh. They were not playing.
We have to move on because we're not going to.
My bad.
Well, let me see it
That's that rib. Ooh, that looks nice and seasoned. Beautiful on the outside, juicy on the inside. Ooh, wait.
Ooh.
The sauce, I think the sauce is making me like
The
sweat
sauce?
a little bit. It's not even that hot.
Then you got the spicy one.
Alright, okay, ready?
Ready?
Look.
Try with the sauce.
Look.
Oh my god.
I took it right off. Look at this. Look, that's juice. This is ridiculous. This is like the best food we had since we started YouTube. Look at you choking. I want to hit your back, man. I want to hit your back, but my hands are messed up, man.
Especially with those hands, bro.
The brisket sandwich with the cheddar jalapeno grits, right?
Yes.
Now I'm real picky about my grits. This is grits?
That's grits. It's jalapeno cheddar grits.
This is grits?
And give me some.
This is grits? Tell me this is not the smoothest grits you ever had. This grits is smooth. Look at that.
Give me a small spoon.
That's smooth, ain't it?
That's not grits.
This is grits.
That is like mashed potato smooth.
This is smooth. You can taste the jalapeno.
You could know it's just aftertaste. But if it wasn't, oh my god, I can't even explain it.
Oh my gosh. Jalapeno just brings the flavor out of the jalapeno.
But you guys, it is so smooth.
Everything is bomb B. If you made it this far, you ready. It's time for the pour.
Okay. You're gonna spill it.
Oh my gosh. It's impossible. It's impossible for you to take a bite of a sandwich and it melts. That's ridiculous. It melted. The meat melted. I'm not lying. Look, bite it. It melted. It melt? It is dissolved.
It melted.
Fire on point, and everything melts like butter.
And we still have to go back.
I'm gonna tell you right now.
Get everything.
If you're in Arizona, go visit Little Miss Barbecue. It's bomb B. And another thing is, I'm gonna end this video because I want to get my grub on, and I'm about to kill everything that's on this counter. It's Daniel.
It's Tita.
Peace.